Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you what to do if you can't find your PayPal account number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up PayPal app. Then right here, tap at that little person's icon. It may ask you to use Face ID to get access to your profile, and then just scroll down until you find help, then get into it, and then at that search box just start typing in account number, and then just hit where it says what is my PayPal account number. And on that screen it says that my PayPal account doesn't have an account number or a routing number. The email address that you use to log in is the main identifier for your account. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my PayPal tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.